Hello, dear friend, and welcome to the moment you can allow yourself the peace and relaxation you deserve. Today's story takes us to a garden where you will safely fall asleep in a hammock, surrounded by birds chirping. You are safe, resting in a soft hammock, in a peaceful garden, in the quiet of evening. The day is over now, and the night is gentle around you. You are held safely between two strong trees, in your comfortable hammock. Nothing needs to happen. Nothing needs to be done. You are exactly where you need to be. This is a gentle sleep story for adults, to help you drift into deep, restful sleep. We'll slow your thoughts down and relax your whole body, step by step, until you feel that peaceful heaviness that tells you it's time to drift away. For now, just listen to my voice. And let the evening air of the garden carry you deeper into that quiet place where sleep comes naturally. Let's help your body relax from your toes all the way up to your eyes. Start with your toes. Notice your toes. Let them soften. Let them grow heavy and warm. Your feet, the tops of your feet, the soles of your feet, relaxing, growing heavy. Like they're settling deeper into the hammock fabric. Your ankles, calm and still. Your lower legs, your shins and calves, letting go, exhaling. With each breath growing heavier, your knees soft and easy, no effort, no tension, just resting, gently held by the hammock. Your thighs, feeling that gentle weight, supported, safe. Sinking down into the soft fabric, your hips quietly settling, letting the hammock hold you completely. No need to move, just relaxing. Your chest and your stomach, let them soften. Let them rise and fall slowly, gently, with each breath, smoothing away any tightness. Your back, from the base of your spine, all the way up, let it melt into the hammock, held, supported, completely safe. Your shoulders, notice if they're lifted, and now let them drop, just a little, heavy, relaxed, at rest, like they're sinking into the hammock with you. Your arms, upper arms, elbows, forearms, growing heavy, warm, still, floating gently with each soft sway. Your hands, your fingers, all the way to your fingertips, let them loosen, uncurl, soft, calm, completely relaxed. Your jaw, unclench, let a tiny space appear between your teeth. Let it hang just slightly, soft, relaxed. Your eyes, your eyelids resting softly, growing heavier and heavier, so comfortable. They may gently close or stay half closed, either way, calm, at ease. Your entire body, from your toes to your legs, your chest, your shoulders, your jaw, and your eyes, is now safe, warm, and deeply relaxed, held gently by your hammock. In this peaceful garden under the quiet night sky, and now we'll step together into this gentle evening inside your garden, where you can drift deeper into the kind of sleep that restores everything, safe in your garden hammock. You are resting, calm and comfortable. And now, in your mind's eye, you begin to notice the gentle path that brought you here, to this peaceful garden. It begins at the edge of the day, where the last light of evening is slowly fading from the sky, and the soft colors of twilight are settling over everything. You find yourself at the start of a narrow garden path. The world is quiet here, set back from the noise and the rush of the day. Beneath your feet, the path is smooth and familiar. You can almost feel the soft crunch of fine gravel. Each step slow, unhurried. Each step guiding you deeper into the calm of the evening. On either side of the path, the garden stretches out, a gentle mix of shapes and shadows, leaves and blossoms. You don't need to see every detail. It's enough to sense that everything here is peaceful and kind. The air is mild, still holding a touch of warmth from the day, but with a cooler, softer edge now, like a gentle hand smoothing everything down. You breathe in slowly and notice the faint scents around you, the sweetness of flowers, the fresh, green smell of leaves, a hint of earth cooling after the warmth of the sun. Somewhere nearby, a small bird gives a quiet, sleepy call, and farther away another answers, just once, as if the garden itself is whispering good night. Each step you take along the path is easy, effortless. There is nothing to hurry for, nowhere else you need to be. This moment, this gentle walk, is just for you. You notice bushes along the edges, their leaves soft and dark in the dim light. Here and there, a pale flower seems to glow, a quiet lantern made of petals opening to the night. The sky above you is slowly deepening, from soft blue to a deeper shade. Stars just beginning to appear, one by one, tiny points of light scattered carefully overhead. As you move further into the garden, the sounds of the outside world fall away. Any distant traffic, any earlier noise, all of it fades into a soft, unimportant hush. All that remains is the gentle hush of leaves, the occasional calm bird song, and the steady rhythm of your own breathing. Ahead, the path curves slightly, and even before you see it, you feel a sense of knowing, a familiar quiet that tells you your resting place is near. You follow the curve slowly, letting your body stay loose and easy. And then, there it is. Between two steady trees, you see your hammock waiting for you. It hangs in a gentle arc, suspended by strong, reliable ropes. The fabric looks soft and welcoming, like a quiet smile in the center of the garden. One tree is thick and old, its trunk solid, its branches spreading wide overhead. The other, slightly slimmer, but just as steady, just as sure. They stand like two patient guardians, holding your hammock for you, keeping this space safe and still. The hammock moves, just a little, stirred by the softest touch of evening breeze. A slow, easy sway, back and forth, back and forth. You notice how inviting it is, how natural it feels, that this place exists, exactly for this moment, exactly for you. The grass beneath the hammock is soft and dark. The shadows here are gentle, not heavy, not sharp, just a quiet dimness that makes everything feel even more peaceful. You pause at the edge of the hammock, allowing yourself a moment just to stand and breathe. You feel the air on your face cooler now, brushing softly against your cheeks, stirring a loose strand of hair. You listen to the faint rustle of leaves overhead, to a tiny movement as a bird settles deeper into its nest, to the quiet creak of the ropes as the hammock sways on its own. This is your place of rest, your own small corner of the world, where nothing is demanded of you, and time can finally slow down. You reach out and run your hand along the edge of the hammock fabric. It feels smooth and cool beneath your fingers, firm enough to hold you, soft enough to cradle you. As you stand there, you can already sense how it will feel to lie back, to be held, to let your whole body relax completely. Here, in this peaceful garden, with the gentle hammock waiting, you know deep down that you are safe. Safe to rest, safe to let go, safe to drift as far into sleep as you need to go tonight. In a moment, you will settle into the hammock and let it carry your weight. Let it carry your thoughts. Let it carry you deeper into calm. For now, you stand at its edge, breathing slowly, surrounded by the quiet garden under the softening sky, knowing with a quiet certainty that this evening belongs only to your rest, and that the hammock and the garden are ready to hold you as long as you need. You feel gently drawn toward the waiting hammock. As if every part of you has been moving toward this moment all evening. You take a quiet step closer, and then another, each movement slow, unhurried, as though time itself has softened around you. Your hand reaches out, fingertips brushing the edge of the hammock, feeling the smooth, cool fabric beneath your touch. Steady, reassuring. You hold the fabric lightly and sit down slowly, carefully, lowering yourself with no rush at all, letting the hammock receive your weight a little at a time. The fabric shifts beneath you, adjusting, welcoming you, cradling your body in a gentle curve. You bring one leg up, then the other, letting them slide easily into the hammock until you are fully inside. The hammock rocks just a little, a soft, slow sway, back and forth, back and forth. You let your back ease down, feeling the hammock support you from the back of your head all the way down to the backs of your legs. You make a tiny adjustment, a subtle shift of your shoulders, a small movement of your hips, until you find that one perfect position where everything feels exactly right. You reach for the pillow you brought with you, soft, familiar, comforting. You tuck it gently beneath your head and settle into it, feeling the back of your skull fully supported, neck long, relaxed, at ease. Your arms grow heavier, and as you let them relax, they find their own natural places. One resting along your side, the other perhaps across your stomach or your chest. Wherever feels most comfortable, most effortless. You notice how good it feels to let your hands settle completely. No need to hold anything, no need to reach for anything at all. You pull your soft blanket up, over your legs, over your middle, perhaps all the way to your chest or shoulders, creating a warm, gentle cocoon against the cooler evening air. Under the blanket, your body feels warm and contained. Above it, your face feels the coolness of the night, a perfect balance of warmth and fresh air. You shift your weight, just the tiniest bit, and with that last small movement, everything lines up. Your back completely supported, your neck easy and loose, your hips resting naturally, your legs cradled along the length of the hammock. You let out a long, slow breath, a quiet sigh that seems to carry the remains of the day away from you. The hammock begins a gentle rhythm, swaying you in the light breeze, back and forth, back and forth. The movement is slow and steady, like the soft rocking of a calm sea, or the easy, unhurried breathing of someone already half asleep. You feel your body respond without effort, muscles loosening, tension unwinding, as if your whole body understands that this motion means rest. You notice the fabric of the hammock against the backs of your arms, along your sides, beneath your legs. Soft, supportive, even. There are no hard edges here, no sharp points of pressure, just one continuous, gentle support, holding every part of you with equal care. Your shoulders sink down a little more, letting go of anything they were carrying, allowing the hammock to carry it instead. Your jaw softens. Your tongue rests easily in your mouth. The small muscles around your eyes begin to release. Your forehead smooths without you trying. Your eyelids feel heavier now. Perhaps they drift closed, fully, or hover in that relaxed space, barely open. Either way, they feel so comfortable. You notice your breathing, how naturally it has slowed. In and out, in and out, matching the gentle sway of the hammock. Each exhale seems to sink you deeper into the fabric beneath you, deeper into the safety of this garden. The sounds around you, the soft rustle of leaves, the occasional quiet bird song, the faint whisper of the evening breeze, all blend together. They form a kind of quiet lullaby, a natural, gentle soundtrack for deep relaxation and sleep. You are completely safe here, held in your hammock, held by the steady trees, held by the peaceful night. There is nothing you need to do. No decisions to make, no problems to solve. You only have to lie here, in your garden hammock, feeling the soft sway, the warm weight of the blanket, the cool touch of the night air, and let yourself drift a little deeper. With every breath, with every gentle, rocking motion. Here, in this quiet garden, in this soft, steady hammock, you are free to let go completely and rest as deeply as you wish tonight.